Hello, and welcome to the Unifier Tooltips for Admin video. Tooltips were introduced to Unifier in version 19 and can be very helpful for the end user when entering data. Tooltips are customizable help notes that can be attached to data elements, otherwise known as form fields. Here we are in the company workspace, admin mode, under Data Structure Setup, Data Elements. To attach a tooltip to a data element, the first thing I will do is find the data element to which I will attach the tooltip. I have typed in my search criteria and filtered the data elements list. Next, I will click to highlight the data element and click the Usage button to check if this data element is being used within my desired business process. The usage list displays, showing all the business processes that the data element is being used in. Meeting Minutes FIS is the one I'm looking for. After confirming that I have the right data element, I can close the window. Next, I will open the data element. Notice the tooltip field. This is where I will enter the tooltip for this data element. The exact text added will be displayed. Think about syntax, capitalization, and proper English. Best practice is to make the tooltip formal and business appropriate. Adding a tooltip here attaches the tooltip to the data element and can be utilized throughout the usage of the data element. When complete, click OK. Next, I will navigate to the business process under the UDesigner node. I have entered search criteria to find the appropriate business process, so I will click Search. Open the business process and put the status in draft. Next, I will go to the form where I would like to see the tooltip. In this example, the data element is on the Create step upper form. Notice the tooltip button. I will click to highlight the desired upper form. Then I will click the tooltip button. Here, all the data elements of the Create upper form are displayed, as well as any associated tooltips. From here, I can open the data element and add a tooltip specific to this form, or I can click the Update from Data Element Properties button to add the tooltip that I previously attached to the data element. I can then further define the tooltip. Note that anything added here, in addition to the tooltip already defined, will only be specific to this form and not the data element itself. If you only want a tooltip specific to this form, you can add them here without attaching a tooltip to the data element. Use the arrow buttons to advance to the next or previous data element on the form. When complete, click Save and Close. Next, I will mark the status of the BP complete and deploy the BP. Let's go to a Meeting Minutes FIS record and look at the new tooltip from the end user perspective. I will click on the Project Shell tab. Navigate to Meeting Minutes FIS in the log, and then click Create to create a new record. To access the tooltip, I will hover over the question mark next to the data element label. The tooltip displays. Thanks for watching.